Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well. Today we are going to continue with the last lecture, that is cytokinesis. Cytokinesis is the second phase of cell cycle, or we can say it is a second phase of cell division actually, because the first phase of cell cycle was interphase, the second phase was mitotic phase, and this is the phase in which the cytoplasm divides itself, and then that cell is divided into two daughter cells. The objectives for today's lecture would be that you people would be able to understand the process of cytokinesis, and to understand this process you have to remember the formation and stages of phragmoplast formation in the plant cell. Let's have a recapitulation session. In the last lecture we have discussed mitosis. In mitosis we have seen the division of nucleus, that is known as karyokinesis. Before the division of the nucleus, the phase that is there, it is known as the interphase. In interphase, the cell prepare itself for the process of cell division. It is further divided into different phases which we have already discussed. The next phase that comes after the interphase is known as the prophase. In prophase, the chromatin, which is present in the form of a thread like structure, it condenses and it forms chromosomes. The nuclear envelope disintegrates. The centrosomes, they move towards opposite pole. The nucleoli also disappear, and then comes the next phase, that is known as the metaphase. In metaphase, the spindle fibers, they attach to the coregion of the chromosomes, and the chromosomes, they arrange themselves along the equator of the cell, forming metaphase plate. And then in the next phase, that is known as the anaphase. In anaphase, these sister chromatids, they move towards the opposite pole. They are pulled apart by the spindle fibers, and in the next phase, when they move towards the opposite pole, the nuclear envelope reappears. The half set of the sister chromosomes are present at the opposite pole. The centrosomes are also located at the opposite pole, and the nuclei also reappear. So these are all the stages of mitosis. This is in telophase. We say that the division of the nucleus has been completed, or the division of the karyokinesis has been completed. After karyokinesis, the next phase is known as the cytokinesis. Cytokinesis is also known as the division of cytoplasm, and this cytokinesis is different in animal cell as well as in the plant cell. Why cytokinesis is different in animal cell and in plant cell? Because animal cells, they lack cell wall, and plant cells, they have the presence of cell wall. So that's why the division of cytoplasm is a little bit different in animal cell and in plant cell. In animal cell, the cytokinesis take place by the formation of the cleavage furrow. This whole process is known as cleavage. What is cleavage furrow? In the middle of the cell pinches inside, and this furrow deepens, and it divides the cells into the two daughter cells. Whereas in plant cell, phragmoplast formation take place. Phragmoplast is also known as cell plate. Now we have to understand that what is a phragmoplast. Phragmoplast is basically formed when the vesicles from the Golgi apparatus, they move to the center of the cell, where which was actually the region where the metaphase plate formation take place. This is the region where vesicles from the Golgi apparatus, they will move. Then in the next phase, these vesicles, they fuse together and they form a membrane bounded disc, which is also known as cell plate or phragmoplast. This phragmoplast, it grows outward and more vesicles fuses with it, and the membrane of the phragmoplast or the cell plate, it next fuses with the cell membrane, and its content join the parent cell wall. It then results in the formation of two daughter cells, each bounded by its own plasma membrane and the cell wall. We are just going to understand this process very clearly with the help of a diagram. As you see in the diagram, this is an animal cell. Here the division of nucleus has been completed. You can see the formation of cleavage furrow. This is known as the cleavage furrow. This cleavage means division. splitting. So this contractile ring is formed around the equator of the cell. This contractile, why it is known as contractile ring? Because it is made up of the cytoskeleton of the cell. So this contractile ring is formed here at the equator of the cell. Then this furrow deepens inside and it pinches inward until from the both sides it reach at the center, and it divides the cells into two daughter cells. This is the formation of, this is the division of cytoplasm in the animal cell. In plant cell we can see the Golgi apparatus which is present in the cell. It is having vesicles in it. These vesicles, they align themselves at the equator. When they align themselves at the equator, their cytoplasm fuses and a membrane bounded cell plate is formed. This cell plate is located at the center of the cell, and this cell plate then fuses with the plasma membrane, and at the end its content fuses with the cell wall of the cell, and it divides cells into two daughter cells. So this is how cell division is different in animal cell and plant cell. I hope you people had understand the difference of cytokinesis in plant cell and animal cell. The assignment for you people is to you people are going to write down the differences in of cytokinesis in animal and plant cell with the help of a neat and label diagram. Thank you. We'll see you in the next lecture, that is the significance of mitosis.